Well, hi all. Genuine H120 project. A few of you have advertised this a few times. Pretty poor, as you can see. No outer seals. The ducktail spoiler isn't too bad, though the rest of the boot's a bit rusty. All complete. Genuine creaks. A bit of that inner wing's gone. All the bits are there though, all the badges are there. Seats are quite reasonable. And the dash is all good. Genuine badge. Genuine oil temp gauge. Looks like it's on 92,000. Yeah, a couple of old tax discs from 86, 87. I expect that's the last time it ran. I'll open the bonnet, we'll have a look. Right, got the bonnet open. Let's see if I can see the engine number. 7796. 796. 396. Let's have a look. Yeah, 3796. It is matching numbers. I've scratched it off and checked it when I first got it a while back. So there you go. For sale. Needs work. I've got another shell. Stay tuned because I'll do that shortly. Do that tomorrow. How much do I want for this? I think I had it on 1750 or 1500 today. Buys it.